Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring from your phone iQOO Z9s with any Android TV. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings. Click on settings here. Then go to more connections and here click on hotspot and tethering and click on Wi-Fi hotspot. Just turn on this Wi-Fi hotspot and click over Wi-Fi hotspot, and here if you would like to set a password for your hotspot, as you can do it, otherwise keep it open. Okay, here you have three other options to set your password. Okay, for demo purpose just I use none. Okay, it is always recommended for you to set a password because other person may connect to your hotspot. Okay, now after setting up your password, then go to the home screen and go to your TV. Go to your TV and select settings of TV there. Search for settings and click on it and click on additional settings, and here go to network and internet, and your hotspot signal will be displaying there. Here my hotspot signal is Mingy. Okay, just to click on it and your click on connect and your phone will be connected to your TV through hotspot. Yes, now a connection is made between your phone and your TV through hotspot. Okay, now come to your phone. Come to your phone and go to Google Play Store and search Google Home. Google Home. Google Home. And install this Google Home app. Just click on install and wait for a few seconds for downloading and installing. Just wait. It will not take more than 1 minute. Just wait. And download completed here and installation is going on. And yes, installed. After installing, just open this app. Open this app and here click on get started. And if it asks you to give some permission, just to give it. Okay, click on next, give permission and select any email ID here. If you have multiple email ID, they will be showing here. Select any one and click on OK. Then allow nearby devices, click on next and give permission. Then location access, it is asking, just click on next and give permission. Okay, now your phone, that is click on devices and here your phone will scan available signal, that is now Android TV signal is displaying here. Okay, this is the TV signal. Okay, already your phone is connected to your TV. That TV is now scanned to this Google Home app and it is displaying here. Just click on it and here click on cast my screen. Click on cast screen and click on continue. Click on cast screen. Record or share screen share using null. Sharing or recording scope, a single app, entire screen. Okay, click on start now. Click on entire screen and click on start now. And now see your phone screen is exactly in your TV. Okay, what you are seeing in your phone, that is also seen in your TV. Okay, suppose if you would like to adjust the volume, you can adjust here. Okay, if you move this point in clockwise direction, volume will be increasing. If you move this point in anti-clockwise direction, volume will be decreasing. Okay, also you can control volume from your TV remote itself. Okay, take out of your TV and click on plus symbol there, and volume will be increasing. Okay, so whatever you go in your mobile screen, that will be seen in your TV. Suppose if you are playing a music file or any video from YouTube, that will also be shown in your TV. Okay, see, I have opened YouTube and that's also seen in my TV. So in this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from your phone iQOO Z9s with any Android TV. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.